Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chandali. You know I'm the host and creator of this YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to my Tribe Squad by clicking the subscribe button. Today we are going to school, girl. This is a pumpkin that we did. I just wanted to show it to you guys real quick, and then I'm gonna come on here and set the tone for the week. Actually, it's my Monday, but it's really Tuesday, and we're gonna go to school this week. So first things first, you know, it wouldn't be school if it wasn't theory. This week is all about waxing, and we're going to be doing some pretty fun waxing. Here I am getting my lip wax. Girl, I do not know why I look like that. Oh my God. But okay, I was so afraid. I usually get my lip threaded, but threading hurts as well. So I think I prefer a little waxing. I'm a little red. Here I am. That's my friend. They are always cutting up when the camera is on. Anywho's, here I am doing my first waxing. You see, your girl is focused. I am doing an upper lip wax, and I love waxing. If you are a new SD out there, let me know what you feel about waxing. I absolutely love it. I can't get enough of it. And yeah, that's kind of the halfway point of the day. So I just showed you guys a waxing demo that we went through, and I just finished waxing a lip. So I just did a lip waxing, and now I've got to go do my chores for cleanup. I have a different area, not the spa today, so pretty excited about that. But yeah, that's it really for today. So I'll show you guys tomorrow where we're doing body waxing, and I'm going to be waxing legs, maybe underarms, arms, so several things. So I'll bring you guys with me tomorrow. So good morning, guys. Today is Thursday, and we are doing body waxing today. So I'll show you what I can. Just with where I'm getting in my program, it is getting a little harder to vlog a little bit, just because like we're doing a lot of hands-on, and obviously I want to make sure my client is extremely comfortable, and I want to use this time to learn as much as I can. So sometimes I can vlog and sometimes I can't, so I'm trying to show y'all as much as I can. This is waxing, so today we're doing body waxing, and yeah, so I think you guys will like it. I'm getting my legs waxed, so because I am the client, I'll be able to show you that, and then I'll be waxing legs today, and just practicing with wax in general. So yeah, let's go. All right, girl, let's go clock in, right? Let's go make it happen. Let's go beautify the world by studying and getting ahead. I had a test this week, and I was kind of nervous because I really didn't study as much as I should have, you know what I'm saying? So I'm happy I got 100% tape on that. Now I'm getting waxed, which is really weird because it looks like a lot's going on right here, but they're waxing my leg, girl. This is my first time ever getting my legs waxed. I actually grew my hair out so that it would be super long so that we could use me as a model, because honestly, if you go into school thinking that I don't want to get any services done, you're really doing yourself a disservice, because it's really great to experience what you're going to be inflicting on your clients. Like, waxing doesn't feel great, and you should know what to expect to describe. So as you can see, it's not a great experience. Unfortunately, this week I really had a hard time vlogging. I just had a lot going on, and I was studying for my test, so this video is really short, but I am working on another Q&A video for you guys. What I think about being in school after hitting 200 hours. I'm actually at like, I don't know, like 270 or something, but yeah. Getting ready to go to school, so let's go. I thought I'd leave this clip in here because, you know, when you think you're gonna like make some shit happen, and then like you literally don't do anything. So we had so much going on Friday that I genuinely only got to record me walking in the door. Here's just a little like break into the video, because as I was telling you guys, I've been having a hard time vlogging, and I just want to tell you kind of why. Hold on just a second, because I feel like my phone is trying to die, girl. Okay. So here's the deal. Here's the real deal, Holyfield. I am really excited. In 2 weeks, I will be officially on the floor performing services on clients, working on different clients. And right now, my biggest focus is just drumming up business for myself and really taking my business really serious. They did a class project, which I didn't document it, and I should have. So maybe I'll go back home and show you guys a video of what we did, but here's what happened. But I really appreciate them trying to get us outside of our comfort zone and start thinking about the future, because aesthetic school is like that long. Like, it feels forever right now, but in reality, it really is going to go by so fast, and then I'm going to be out there in the world trying to get clients. So the assignment was to put together a business plan on your business, what your own salon, your own spa would look like, what kind of decor, what's your target demographic, your target audience, how are you going to market yourself, what are the strategies you're going to use. And even though I personally feel like we could have spent an entire week talking about that, that was really my only thing, was I felt like we weren't really giving the assignment a lot of detail. And maybe I probably won't leave this clip in the video, but I feel like I need to say it, so I'm saying it. There have been times that I have questioned why I'm doing this. Like, could I be doing something else that would be making me an equal amount of money? And the answer is yes, more than likely. But I really, really, really love the intimate connection that's between like a client and the service provider, where you are just listening to some of their vulnerabilities. Like, skin is such a big deal, and the way I have people open up to me so effortlessly about their skin and just trusting me to help them with an issue that they're having, that is just like what I live for. And it just makes me really happy to hear people when they say they're feeling results, or they're really happy or satisfied with their service. So another thing that I really like about this journey is that I know that for no matter what, as long as I have the hustle within me, I'm going to have food on the table, because I'm going to be able to provide a really great lifestyle for my family. And we did an assignment this week, which I didn't actually document because I was busy doing the assignment, girl. But one of the assignments was putting together a business plan, and that was really, really cool, because it had me really thinking about my business once I'm done with aesthetic school, because it's so quick. And yeah, it was just really eye-opening. One of the things I really liked about the assignment was it started to make you think about, like, what is your target income? Like, what are you wanting to make? And how many clients do you need to get there? And how much hustle? What are your ways that you're going to market your business? How do you plan on drumming up service? Because I'm in several esthetician groups, and I noticed that that's a big deal. So I don't want to wait until I graduate. I'm trying to move with purpose now. Now, I'm not saying I know everything, but I'm just saying, like, one thing I've really realized is it's going to take a lot of hustle, because that's what it takes when you start any business. When you ask any business owner, the one thing that they'll say is they tried something. If it failed, they tried again. And that's how you get closer to your goals. So hopefully this is really inspirational for you, girl, if you're maybe just signing up for school, or you're in school right now and it just feels like, what are you doing? I know what you mean. Girl. So yeah, I'm picking up my son from school right now. So like I said, been busy, bitch. But so we're going to go home, and then I'm going to show you guys my like mock business plan. This is what I've got so far. And then I've got to take my son to practice. So I'm still going to work on my business plan. So I just thought I'd catch up with you guys, because I really don't ever pop on here and give you updates like this. But if you like this, please hit the thumbs up. If it like helps you feel like heard, or maybe like you're not alone, that's what I'm here for. So please drop a comment down below. Let me know if you like this video. I'm probably going to wrap it after this, and I'm going to head up out. But you know, I post new videos every single Monday, so make sure you are subscribed. And also check out the videos at the end of this, because there's something for everyone. My very first week starting my journey to like week 9. So make sure you check it out, and I will see you guys there.